Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can adjust the headlights on your Toyota Highlander. Now it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just turn on the vehicle itself, and from there you of course want to turn on the headlights. Now in that way you will be able to adjust it accordingly. Right after, you want to pop the hood open, and directly on the back of the headlights right here you will be able to see this plastic screw, or basically a plastic head. Now you want to use 8mm in order to simply adjust this. You could just go ahead and plug your 8mm in here, and you could twist it from left to right in order to adjust your lights from up to down. And so that's how easy it is to do it. Basically, you just want to make sure that your lights are turned on in order to adjust it accordingly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.